For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital with me, Adarsh Vepachedu. Well, there is obviously a race to find a vaccine for coronavirus. And guess what? An answer seems to be emerging from quite an unusual country. We're talking about Bangladesh. And guess what? India's apex medical research body, that is the ICMR, has in fact shown its interest in this solution, perhaps if we were to call that. Well, a Bangladeshi team of doctors claim that their combination of drugs, in fact two of them, is working wonders on patients infected with the coronavirus. What is this essential combination? What is the combination behind this solution? In fact, we're talking about two main medicines. One is the ivermectin and the other is doxycycline. So what is ivermectin? It is in fact an antiparasitic or antiprotozoal drug that is commonly used to cure roundworm infections, anything that is that you have an infection caused by roundworms essentially. And a few side effects include loss of energy, vomiting, abdominal pain, nausea and many more. When it comes to doxycycline, that essentially is an antibiotic which is used to treat a wide range of bacterial infections and usually used to treat the common flu or cold and even malaria. Side effects again are very similar to that of ivermectin. We're talking about mild diarrhea, loss of appetite, skin rashes and itching as well. So these are the two drugs that go together. It's a combination that can tackle COVID-19 and obviously one of the next questions that arises, what about its efficacy and what about its side effects? When it comes to efficacy, the doctors in Bangladesh have claimed that it is very high and side effects none claimed so far. Despite the fact that these two drugs individually have their own side effects, maybe in a combination they seem to be working and there are no side effects. And when it comes to the efficacy part of it, it is being reported that out of the 60 patients that were administered this combination of drugs, all of them recovered. That's what a few reports have suggested, while others have suggested that most of them out of the 60 patients who've been administered the combination of drugs have recovered from COVID-19. And they've done so in about 4 days' time and 50% reduction in symptoms in just about 3 days' time. So what are the doctors in Bangladesh claiming? Well, saliently, they're saying full recovery in 4 days, as we just discussed, 50% recovery in 3 days. And the second test, the consecutive tests that are done usually have reconfirmed to be COVID-19 negative after they've been administered this unique perhaps combination. And the doctors who are leading this research are fully confident about the efficacy of this very combination of ivermectin and doxycycline. These are in fact points coming in from Dr. Tariq Alam, who happens to be the head of medicine department at the Bangladesh Medical College and Hospital. Back home in India, what is the ICMR saying? What is the Indian Council of Medical Research saying? They in fact are reviewing the benefits at this point in time of the combination of these two drugs, and they're closely studying the drug ivermectin particularly and its possible efficacy in dealing with COVID-19. They're studying the use of the ivermectin drug in treatment protocol of COVID-19 patients. And the ICMR is also saying at this point in time that when it comes to the in vitro studies, there seems to be effectiveness, but there are no conclusive studies on humans for this combination of drugs. So that in a sense has been their the ICMR's stand, that there needs to be solid evidence and there needs to be published study and data on a slightly bigger sample size before we draw any conclusions. So remember, it is only 60 patients that we're talking about from Bangladesh who were given this combination. So that's not a big enough sample size. So that is what the ICMR is saying. But yes, there is another interesting question that arises here, whether ivermectin is already part of studies in India. Now we're talking about how the combination is coming coming to light from Bangladesh, but in fact, in India itself, you have a few studies that are taking place. In fact, it is part of at least 5 ongoing trials in the country at this point in time. This, in fact, is according to the Clinical Trials Registry India. And Max Hospital has registered a trial to study the overall efficacy, the effectiveness of ivermectin when it comes to the standard of care treatment for COVID-19 cases. And there is another trial that has also been registered by the Department of Medicine of Lady Hardinge Medical College in Delhi, which will study the effects of ivermectin in the treatment of moderate COVID-19 illness, apart from a few other things like the hydroxychloroquine, the famous anti-malarial drug that we keep hearing about. So studies are being done right here in India pertaining to ivermectin as to how far it can tackle COVID-19 and the symptoms per se. So another solution, potential solution coming in, and coming in from Asia itself, from a country like Bangladesh, and not something new to India. We're already into understanding what ivermectin does. One really hopes that quick trials and permissions are really given out, and who knows, we may as well have a solution at hand. So yes, in case if you feel that there is a ray of hope coming in with the combination of these two drugs, do let us know if you feel that anything can really happen. Drop in your comments and make sure you subscribe to News9 on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. This is Adarsh Shwepachedu signing off.